Alright guys, welcome back to our channel. We are here with another one from the JurllyShe. And yes, I'm coming through already done up, okay? I figured I'd give you guys a treat and a sneak peek. So stay tuned, see how I got mother all the way together. Okay? This beautiful, beautiful unit. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.
Alright my loves, let's get on into this JurllyShe Honey Blonde Ombre Highlight 13 by 4 straight lace front wig. Okay, honey? So I'm going through and we're doing the ball cap method. I actually loved doing it this time around because I really took my time and laid mother down. Once you make sure she is absolutely dry, you are rearing and ready to go and you have a great foundation to apply your wig. So let's get on in to this unit. Okay, so we have here again that 13 by 4 honey blonde unit, okay, with the highlights. She is a 13 by 4 lace front, 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. This unit is currently going for at 22 inches, $225 on JurllyShe.com. They are always running a sale. Okay, the specific color for this unit is TL 412, okay? And she is 150% density. Now, I personally thought she was a little bit lightweight, like a little more lightweight than I would have liked. However, I really did enjoy the lace on this unit, as well as the fact that she did not tangle and she had very minimal shedding. Now, the cap on this unit is relatively big head friendly, so I went on ahead and Wakanda forever her in the back just to make sure that she stays safe and secure. And y'all see my face ain't beat, baby, but that's primarily because we are trying to apply these wigs prior to then. Okay, I'm going to go through and apply my makeup afterwards, but I wanted to make sure that she was laid down because I'm going to go on through and chop and screw her like no one else has ever done before. But I'm really into this unit. She is relatively affordable. Also, you can pay in 4 interest-free payments with quad pay if you go on JurllyShe.com. So don't think that your unit is out of reach. Okay, there are options, honey. There are options because even we all need a good unit, a really good one, and she is it. Let me tell you something. JurllyShe. So what I did was I actually went on and cut some layers into her using I use these little sewing scissors, guys. I'm obsessed with these. I know this is the wrong scissors, but it's just something about these little itty bitty things that I love. So I went through chopped this little wig on up. She's 22 inches of love, sex, and thine magic, okay? And I came out looking like Beyonce circa 2000 and whatever. Okay, the point is that she's giving the tens. Okay, and I am really feeling this. What do you guys think of this unit? Bust up on her. The lace is absolutely stunning, like absolutely stunning. The unit is really beautifully done, and what I noticed is that the knots are relatively bleached, so it feels really, really good. She's cute. She had that little bit of lace in the back, so you could throw her up in a pony if you like. I'm feeling this. Feeling it, okay? I'm about to FaceTime with my man. He likes it when I wear light hair. So I'm giving it what it's supposed to be given, okay? If you're picking up what I'm putting down. So, JurllyShe, you guys came on through, kicked me in my teeth. Okay, with this one. I really do love her. She did not shed at all, okay? She didn't shed at all. One of the things I did not like about this is it's not thick. And when I get bone straight units, I don't want it to be like 200% density, but if it a 180%, I think it's perfect for bone straight units. She does lay relatively flat, and I like that about it, but it's giving high school over dyed hair, and this is all I got left. But then again, it's giving sleek and straight, right? But also 2000 and blah, 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 you know? So tell me what you guys think. I'm really into this unit. I actually am. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling the color. I know this is like, I'm feeling this. I think I keep saying it because in this lighting, it's a little lighter than I expected. But let me see something. Let me see if I could turn. Wait a minute. Let me just turn this off. Okay. So this is with. Oh yeah. So this is just with the overhead lighting. Yeah, in my softbox. Okay. Let me turn around. So another thing I'm realizing about this unit with the lights low is that this blonde is really framing the face and not much anywhere else, which is giving it. That's why it's giving circa 2004, 5, 6, 7s, because I look like Avril Lavigne, but black. And I'll insert for all of my Gen Zers, I'll insert a picture of Avril Lavigne. Okay. So, all in all, I really do think I like this unit. I think that she's very much worth the price. JurllyShe always coming through with the come through, okay? So we'll make sure that you guys have all the deets to this unit down in the description box. Let me know what you guys are thinking. I'm like really, I like the style that I did. I'm not gonna lie. I know you're like, it's just bone straight, girl. What is you talking about? But it ain't. Mama threw some layers up in here, okay? Because I be doing a little something with some raggedy shears. I'm a kitchen beautician in these streets, okay? Y'all better give me the respect I deserve. Point blank in the period, okay? I'm feeling recharged. I'm back, okay? JurllyShe came through, kicked us in the teeth with this one. She's cute. She's giving. So, bust down, subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you think, okay? Make sure you comment and talk mess to me. And I'm going to comment back. I'm going to talk back, okay? And I see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.